Cole. Pass it. Pass it to Mama. Can I have it? Can I have it, please? Oh, you get tired.
He wants to jump.
You're silly. Jumping jack.
Pretty good on the wood.
Oh, jeez. You're getting strong. Oh, it's the weirdest crawl, scoot, twist.
Half sideways.
They're working on the other side. And he's got the... Look at it. I mean...
Alternating.
Yeah, he's alternating. That's the way you do it. Man, before we know... Oh, God. We need to start getting baby-proof stuff.
You just gotta figure out how to put it in drive. You can go in reverse all day long.
Oh, child of ours.
You can go in reverse all day long. Just scooting. Hey.
You're gonna run into a wall. You don't even know you're gonna do it. You think you'll do a 180-degree turn and then come back like you did yesterday?
He did that yesterday. He wants the ball, he's just going back. You paint yourself in a corner.
Hey, bud. It's like, wow, it's so much more interesting moving. Scooting backwards isn't going to help. Oh.
He's got himself high centered there.
Go rescue him, Dad. Oh, hey, buddy. How's it working out for you?
He's like, what the heck? I did all that work to get over there.
Bye.
Turn around?
I guess I'm going to be moving stuff off my floors that I don't want babies getting into.